If you've ever felt like teaching is becoming less about the children and more about ticking boxes, then this video is for you. SLT don't want bad teachers gone. They want independent thinkers gone. Here's my proof. Just listen to this.
Inset day, and one of the head teachers of the trust had a picture of like this woman dancing around in a flowery dress in the garden with flowers in her hair on one side, and on the other side a robot. And he said, "Oh, these are the two extremes, and we really are going more towards the robot." And I was sat there looking at the lady in the garden. She looked so happy, and I thought, "Oh, that's me."
Can you believe it? So literally this amazing teacher that's very, very creative literally sat down on a staff meeting and the head teacher said, look at this picture here of this amazing teacher in this dress, happy, teaching these kids, and look at this robot. We want you to be more like the robot. What has the education system come to? It's literally scripts over judgment, data over relationships, policies over people, observation grades over student outcome. Consistency used to be about shared values. Now it's all about compliance. This is the robot teacher model. Follow the scheme exactly to the letter. Death by PowerPoints. Say exactly the right phrases in an observation. Teach to the spreadsheet or teach to the PowerPoint. Do not question decisions. Smile and cope. Teachers didn't get into the education system just to go through this, just to be an autonomous robot. They went in to inspire our future generation, to cultivate our future. Literally, children are 20% of our population, but 100% of our future. You really think they're going to achieve amazing things in their life if they're just going to follow PowerPoints and just regurgitate crap for 2 hours at the end of the 4 years of education? But why are SLT doing this for? Number 1, offset pressure. Number 2, league tables. Number 3, mat expansion. Number 4, legal safeguarding fears. Number 5, risk aversion culture. To be honest, most SLT aren't evil. Some of them are, but most aren't. They're just scared. So what does this mean for the children then? Well, first of all, children don't want to learn in a school environment, do they? I wouldn't want my children to go into that school environment at all. I want them to be outside, playing, having fun, socializing. Kids do feel it. They get less joy, less curiosity, less connection. And obviously, we've seen it, more behavior problems. Check out this study just here. A 2024 study found out that SLT and Ofsted had more of an influence over the students than teachers do. The Working Lives of Teachers and Leaders Governance Review in 2023, I think it was, found out that most teachers spend more time doing admin tasks than they actually do teaching. And only 17% agreed that they actually had an acceptable workload. Who is this 17%? This is why I think that academies and MATs have snuck in, because they're becoming highly regulated and centrally controlled, with instruction literally being handed down by the government, leaving less room for teachers to be creative. Just check this out as well.
I don't want them to be following PowerPoint slides for a whole lesson and me being scripted as a teacher. Because I said, I'm not being a teacher. I'm literally being a robot. Feeling very sad about it because I couldn't be creative. I'm a very creative person, and there was no creativity. And all the things that I developed over years as good ways to manage the classroom and make the children feel inspired, all of those things, they were saying I can't do them anymore.
If this really does matter to you and you're a teacher that actually cares about the future of kids and you actually got into teaching for the right reasons, then there is life after teaching. You don't just have to put up with this. You will have to take a risk and obviously leave the education system unless you're happy being part of the problem. If so, switch this video off. The rest of this isn't for you, so just go away. But if you are really wanting to make a change in kids' lives and your own life as well, then I would strongly consider life coaching kids. I've been doing this for the past 11 years. Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name's Dale. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, because this just helps it grow and support other teachers out there. And I've been doing this for the past 11 years, like I said, speaking all over the world. I've wrote an international best-selling book. I've just basically combined NLP, CBT, and timeline therapy, just kidified it and gamified it and put it out so parents can actually use it. And I use it for their children and they get phenomenal results, which is something of which the education system has not, will not, and could not ever provide for young people. And the best thing about it is you're already doing it right now in the classroom as a teacher, aren't you? Especially if you care. So if you have any thoughts about staying, stay. Please stay. That's absolutely fine. But if you have any thoughts about, you know what, Dale, actually I want to live my life to the full. I want to spend more time with my family. I want to earn more money because I deserve it. I want to see the world. Then genuinely drop me a comment below here, this video, saying kid coach, or just speaking to me, or just drop me a message and I will give you a giant video of how I did it all those those years ago, from literally step 1 all the way through to step 18. There's a lot of steps, but you have to go through it. This isn't one of these, 4 pillars to success. No, it's nothing like that. Genuinely, so many steps for you to do this, but they're really easy. They're followable, and it's just a step-by-step plan. Can you follow a step-by-step plan? Of course you can. Been doing it for the past however many years as a teacher. So I can't wait to hear from you. Again, remember to message me on Instagram if you want a bit more of a personal one-to-one conversation. I'll drop you a voice note, and I can't wait to see what Life Coaching for Kids has for you in your future. In the meantime, have a cool day. Peace out.